welcome you guys back to Griffin's Industrial Welding School. Again, my name is Mr. Griffin. Today we're going to go over the 3G position. I'm going to show you some different techniques on how to run a nice 3G bead uphill. We're going to start off using what we call a 7018 electrode. Remember, when you're using the 7018 electrode, this is a low hydrogen electrode, so it gives you X-ray quality welds. The numbers on the rod, the E stands for electrode, the 70 stands for tensile strength, the 1 is the position, and the 8 is basically stands for flux type and current, okay? This particular rod can hold up to 70,000 pounds of pressure, okay? Now, when you're doing a 3G position, you normally want to do what we call a stringer bead, which is like a zigzag motion. A stringer bead is just like a 1-2, nice little zigzag motion, okay? You always want to put the metal portion of the rod in the electrode holder, and you always want to angle it up because gravity is going to pull it down. Okay, so you want to have your nice angle on there because gravity is going to pull it down. Okay, as far as your amperage, whenever you're doing a 3G, you normally want to keep your amperage between about 100 amps and 120 amps. Right now, if you look at our machine, you'll notice we have it at 110. Okay. So I'm gonna run a couple of quick beads for you, and then we'll do the same with some different rods with a 60-10. Okay? All right, watch your eyes. You notice we stay right on the edge of the puddle. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You hear me counting? 1, 2. That's the cadence we want to use. A nice little 1-2 cadence. Stay right on the edge of the puddle. And just let that puddle guide you. Let that puddle guide you up. Nice and easy. There it is right there. Nice and easy. Let the puddle guide you up. Nice little 1-2 motion. And stop. Okay. Uncover. You always want to take your electrode out of the electrode holder first. Okay. Because as long as the electrode is in the electrode holder, any metal you touch, it will strike an arc. Okay. So we're going to take this out. Then we're going to use what we call our wire wheel to clean the bead and see what we got. See how it came out. Okay. Watch your eyes. Okay, uncover. All right, next we're gonna go over how to overlap that bead. Okay, so we got a nice 3G bead. Next we're gonna do a little short overlap so you can see how to get proper overlap on that bead. Okay. Remember, when you guys are in the shop, always make sure you have the proper personal protective equipment on. And if you ever are looking at or trying to find where you can purchase the personal protective equipment, you can always go to Griffin Welding School.store. All right. Got a nice angle on our rod. Watch your eyes. So you just barely want to graze the side of that bead. Just barely graze the side of the bead. You don't want to dig into it because you don't want to get too much overlap. You don't want to get too much overlap. You just want to graze the side of the bead so you get proper fusion on the bead. But don't dig into it though. Nice and easy. Okay. We take our electrode holder out. We take our electrode out of the electrode holder. Now we have to wire wheel it. Okay, watch your eyes. Okay. Now if you'll notice the beads, there's no dirt in between it. That means it got properly, the fusion was proper. Okay. So this is just a snippet of some of the things you guys will learn whenever you come to Griffin's Industrial Welding School. And remember, if you ever need any of the merchandise that we sell, you can always go to Griffin Welding School. That's cool.